I just love this little tail. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? He wags it all the time like a little dog. And he's not doing it because he's mad either. Like a lot of times cats wag their tails when they're mad, but he just does it. What you doing, bud? Look at him. He's so playful. All right, we have a yarn bomb incoming. That was not the excited reaction I was looking for, but... Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh. Spring loaded. The kittens are definitely the most playful. They're hilarious. Sometimes when you think they're just dead, they'll just like pop up and start all over again. Oh, here comes, there they all are. The kitten family. How sweet. The kittens who play together stay together. You're so funny. Oh. There's Lincoln's little tail.